Hello, everybody. My name is Vladislav Vinarski, but most people call me Vlad. I am from Kiev, Ukraine, originally born in Kiev, Ukraine. And when I was 3 years old in 1996, we moved to Belmont, California. From there, I moved out of my parents' house and moved to San Bruno, where I currently live. I am a second semester student at SF State University, working to achieve my goal of a bachelor's in business administration. I work for a company called Fogdog IT. In Fogdog, we're an MSP provider from 5 to 500 seat customers, and we basically do any kind of IT work that you can imagine. Anything that you need that has to do with technology, implementation, networks, upgrades, downgrades, whatever it is, you name it. We provide that service for you. It's an awesome opportunity. I got the opportunity to be both kind of a super early member of the company, grow the client base. I get to sell a little, I get to provide support a little, and I just get to do everything that has to do with technology. I'm a certified Apple consultant. I'm also ACMT certified, so I work on the hardware, and that's what I do professionally. In my free time, I like to spend quite a bit of time with cars. I'm actually part of a 24-hour for Lemons group. So similarly to Le Mans, if anybody's heard of it, it's a play on Le Mans, where basically you're supposed to buy a $500 car and make it the best racing machine that you can create for under $1,500. Obviously, everybody cheats, and their cars are much better than that. So we run what we call Spec E30. So this one's good for NASA racing and for Lemons racing. The outside is painted rust brown. It's a play on the Big Lebowski. The LeBaron from the Big Lebowski is actually what this car is supposed to represent. It's a full spec vehicle, which means that you can run anywhere from NASA races to actual qualifying races. It's got a roll cage. It's got quite a bit of interesting technology inside of it that helps you be safe on the track. This is actually me in full racing gear, getting ready to go on the track later that weekend. Cars are a big passion of mine, and so is technology. But more specifically speaking, I love the tech that goes into vehicles. So we have G-force monitors, we have radio monitors, we have tire monitors. We've built an app that's actually constantly monitoring sensors in the vehicle and monitoring performance. In my other free time, I like to live on a company called IAA. What they do is they sell salvage vehicles that you can then rebuild and turn into masterpieces of whatever it is that you like to do. I'm getting married in August of next year, so that's another super exciting milestone in my life, and I'm really looking forward to learning more about technology in this class. It was great talking to you. Thanks.